All right, so I'm kind of excited. Truck's on its way here. I got my yellow shirt on, mellow yellow. Come on. It's gonna be coming right down here in a few minutes. So, dude, I cannot wait. Yes. You'll see my reaction as I get it, and I don't know what to expect. It was a free truck. Let's see. Oh yeah, here it is. Yes, it's sick. Dude, here it is. Oh my goodness. Yes. Here she is, she's here. Yes. Not bad for a win. Oh my goodness. She's gonna need some work, but oh, it's cool. It is really cool. I'm still pumped. Yeah. Hopefully we got all that. Let's take you up to it. Dude, I'm so pumped. It's rough. It's not, it looks great from 10 feet away, but it's still pretty awesome. Them wheels. She's cool. Look at that. The rear seat doesn't look half bad. Hook your eyes into this bad boy. This bad Larry. Oh my god, I love the door trim. That back seat. Oh, that's cool. It's really cool. Brings back some memories. My old man used to have one of these. And my mom, well, she didn't want to, she's short and she had trouble getting in and out of it, so this would be perfect for her. Oh wow. All right, well, she landed. Now we're gonna try to get her home. All right, let's get this thing a try. Let's go right. bummer.
If I thought I could push, I would.
I just need to get to the top of the hill and I can coast to my house. I think I'm out of gas.
Oh no.
So it looks like I ran out of gas. Suck. Well, didn't even come close to making it home. Broke down about a little ways from my house. I think I'm out of gas. Bummer. Yeah. Hopefully we got the footage on the GoPro. Put the GoPro on here. Set that off. Ooh. Oh. All right, we got some gas and now we're back on the road. Oh my goodness. Just one of the neighbors just came out, I was like, hey. I was like, you got any gas? So they helped out. Thank you very much to them. And oh geez, this thing hits potholes. Terrible. Oh my god, feels like the front end's coming out of it. Thing's sick. Hey, at least we're getting it home, which is cool. Then I gotta hop on a bicycle and go, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna hop on a bicycle and go get my truck that's down the road. Oh, geez, just so much. So much.